Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I'm coming back at you with another unboxing. That's right. This time what I got is the Team Associated Pro SC10. 1/10 scale, ready to run, two-wheel drive, electric off-road race truck, which includes the dynamic vehicle control receiver / gyro, and it is brushless powered with the Reedy 3300. So this basically has all the options of a team truck. This is the Rockstar edition, and it has most of the upgrades. It has the BF Goodrich replica tires. It's got the blue anodized shocks. Has the digital transmitter to digital receiver with a metal gear servo, of course. It has the Reedy with the Dean's power plug, or T-plug that they're calling them now. And it also has a 2.6:1 ratio gearbox with heavy-duty sealed gear differential. So there's a look at a picture of the inside of the car, and we'll give you the full feature rundown here. It's based off of the 9-time R.O.A.R National Champion short course race truck platform. It's got the 2.4 gigahertz radio system, 2-channel with the dynamic vehicle control. Got the high torque metal gear Reedy Servo with the spring style servo saver. It's got the 3300 brushless motor. It's got a water resistant high power Reedy brushless speed control with the T-plug connector and LiPo low voltage cutoff. It's factory finished championship short course racing truck body, water resistant enclosed receiver box, aluminum 12mm big bore coil-over shock absorbers with that 2.6:1 gearbox, heavy-duty sealed gear differential with an externally adjustable V2 slipper clutch, realistic method wheels. It's got the durable, lightweight aluminum top shaft, low center of gravity, metric hardware throughout, 14 precision rubber sealed ball bearings, durable front and rear body mounts, rugged steel turnbuckles for adjustable camber and front toe in, fully adjustable suspension geometry, vertical ball ends for roll center adjustments, front and rear CVA drive shafts for more reliability. So let's open the box and check her out. Unfortunately, this one had the factory seals on it, but they weren't stuck properly. But when we go ahead and take the top off, we see this thing is definitely factory sealed. It's got heavy duty zip ties here to hold the product in the box. Packaged quite nicely. As you see, that sucker won't even come out of the box, so I know nobody touched it. Right here beside it is the Ziploc sealed bag of goodies. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what kind of manuals we have in here. We'll start here with the Reedy, like I say, the ESC manual. Then we have a little troubleshooting guide there. Then we have the manual and catalog. Oh yeah. And a certificate of conformity. We have a little flyer here on Associated Electronics. And the XP120 instruction manual. Now let's go ahead and put this stuff aside and we'll take this car out. There is your XP120 digital controller. We'll just go ahead and set that aside. And then here with its plastic cover. Traxxas did a little bit nicer with the full plastic cover, but that's good enough. So we'll go ahead and take these body pins out and we'll set them right there where we won't lose them. What I usually do with my body pins is I'll put all of them together with one and then put them into one of the posts. All right, so let's go ahead and take the top off. Beautiful Rockstar replica body. That's part of the reason why I went ahead and got this version, was I liked the replica of the Rockstar truck. And there you have her. Your basic RC10 setup. Not much has changed over a good 40 years. They've done a few minor tweaks on it, but basically, when they went to this pan from the old style RC10 metal pan and these truck setups, they really haven't changed much. And I think they came out around 30 years ago was when the RC10T came out. And it's basically the same setup. This is the two-wheel drive. Very nice. And it looks like the good old same stealth transmission. They've just changed the differential a little bit. Other than that, it's basically your simple RC10 with all of the upgrades. Beautiful car. Definitely beautiful car. Can't wait to get this one out on the track too. And this can run anything from a 6-cell nickel metal hydride to a 3-cell LiPo. So let's put it out here and give you guys a good look at her out in the sun. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. And just like the Traxxas, because of the digital, no real antennas. All right, guys, so there you have it. It's the Team Associated Pro SC10 Rockstar Edition. So, guys, remember, have a lot of fun, break out your toys, and keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.